First, what I got is two scenes, the manager scene and the menu scene. The menu scene is just a simple menu. Back in the manager scene, create a new view manager and then create a script called view manager. Inside the script, get rid of start and update, then create a new public function called play scene. Create another public function called unload scene. Of course, before we begin writing logic, add the Unity Engine.scene management namespace. Alright, now inside of the player scene function, write scene manager.load scene async. What we will then do is add a string parameter to the play scene function and also to the load scene function. Finally, pass in the scene name inside the load scene async function. Then in the next parameter, pass in load scene mode.additive. Inside the unload scene function, write scene manager.unload scene async and pass in the scene name parameter. Was that completed? Your view manager is now completed. There's only a few more steps to complete. First, make sure you add all your scenes to the build index. Then make sure scene manager is set to be the first scene that loads. On view manager, add a new script called init and open it. Remove update and inside of start, write GameObject.getComponent and pass in the view manager, then call .playScene and write the name of the scene you want to load in. If you click play, the menu scene will now load in.